This is Rex, the pileated woodpecker, and his territorial domain is high up in the trees. And this is Whitney, the booted bantam, and his territorial domain is all of the backyard. And this is what happens when the woodpecker invades Whitney's territory. This is probably the only footage in the entire universe of a fight between a woodpecker and a chicken. In this case, the woodpecker seems to have intentionally provoked Whitney, and he just got down on the ground and said, "I dare you to do anything about it." And of course, Whitney valiantly defends his territory. However, after a few bouts, Whitney decides that discretion is the better part of valor, and he just nonchalantly walks away with as much dignity as he can possibly muster after such an encounter.